kule issue abanye bayakhonona abanye happy PSL charges guys. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Pass and Move, your number one soccer podcast in the land, coming straight from Konalapa Gontutuzia Tunga Bulawayo at Deb 3 Studios. We're back again with yet another video. Hey, I'm saying studio, yeah, few matuta. Hey, Sangagutin. Remember, it's proudly brought to you by Ipraxol Solar and ngizachanga abantu mina ngizachanga abantu yawazi nje yawazi sefuna ukuba iPraxol electrical and solar energy solutions usekhulume kuhle right umphinde futhi njengoba uthi ungicorrect yiyo iPraxol electrical and solar energy. This is our number one sponsor. You know what it is. Bazafaka all the necessary details. If you want to know more about Ipraxol electrical and solar energy, bafaka la Panama chita. Uti iyenza ngani.
We are Praxol. Electrical and solar energy is what we do. We are Praxol, professional and know the way. We are Praxol. This is where son can solar. This is where son. Praxol. Nyika yesene sola. Nyika yesene maketi. We are Praxol. We are Praxol. Customer care plenty. Well-trained team on hand, professional service, superior service beyond any measure. Sola. Isizwe sonke ngamakhethi. We are Praxol. Yikaya sene sola. Yikaya sene makhethi. We are Praxol.
One-stop shop for all solar and electrical needs.
and also not forgetting Sports Zone la isilethele ama goodies khona phana. They also put ama details khona phana la phela okuhle designs asikhohle from day one lokho esihamba labo. Namhlanje, as I said before, kuyafika. 1 2 3 ngiyawusothi introduce njani. Full house. National team ephase movies in the building. Welcoming uDododo semakhaya. Kanye
Asikho emakhaya kuthiwa kuseplazini.
wena ngosunga ukuthi mina benisithi kusekhaya. Phela uyangale lo mgwaqo uyafika.
Kuyafika. Fare angathaba ukuba bheki lapha engathaba ukuthiwani ku-reunite le gang.
Bese fuku sichaba nje uthi why is Kanye?
Siyabe siphumula nje but wakhona siyabe sikhona emoyeni.
And also Toby lawe ngomunye simfukule futhi eidlori. Ochola ama robot lwagcileni.
Asokune robot.
But anyways, it's good to have you guys back. It's full house. We've got Machisa back in the building. Also, Leslie Mdluli in the building,
Swim Tana.
aka Masudu.
Swim
Uyisiprom.
Amnandi mtana.
Ola ngale Ndobuthozi aka Mkhokheli. How far my boss?
Mina ngiswap sharp siyamukela uGanit lo Machisa. We really miss these guys a lot.
Awusaveleza vele lokuthi insurance sithi ngumqondisi. Yazi kuyanhlupha njani. Mr. Shongwe uthi yithi mqo saveleza in the building. Afa prob. Konke mnandi.
Clean.
The season is up and running. Everyone is happy. Yabona ama-face aglow. Lo mongameli lo hulumende wahle wasilonshela iMono Mtapa. Ahle siqalise ngeMono Mtapa. iMono Mtapa Cup that was launched. 25 million, my dude.
25 meter.
25 million US. Cutting across from juniors. As long as affiliate yes Zifa kuphela, you are playing this cup.
Yeah. I think it's a something esiziqhenya ngayo njengozulu olandela umdlalo wenguqu. Kuyinto enhle ukuthi after so much long of rejection, we're finally being recognized and being supported. And most importantly, the thing esikhala ngayo kakhulu about that as well, the girl child has been also involved. And the youth, they're also involved. The youngsters are also involved. Ukuthi bebona ukudlala kwabo kuma Division 2, Division 3, usehla uzokufika social. It's not in vain. So that I hope they're going to be getting something else in return. Ukuthi yonke team affiliate le yasithola something, maybe $10 or something like that, just as an example.
As a participator.
As a participator, yes.
Imagine 5 million a season. So I think seconding what you're saying, Bujo, Konokuti, everyone is playing this tournament. Is something. He FA Cup is Zimbabwe. Toby, Lani Bali Bela.
I think i-cup le right kakhulu because wonke umuntu will be recognized, even la Division 3 will be recognized. Uyathola i-chance la maybe udlalela kubo-Chawanda Stadium, udlalele kubo-BF nxa uyabe uprogressile ungaba le-lucky lihleli fixture liya-draw khanje uyabona ukuthi is something good for ama-players, ama-young coming players. So I think it's a good initiative sibili for ibhola lethu.
Khona ngale wange bazayidlala.
Ngivumelana lakho because nxa besithi ama teams because after ku launch icup le ngibonile futhi izivihle announce ukuthi ama teams afuna ukuparticipate awahlehlale registered
kuzifa.
Yabona kuzifa. So okundabisa ukuthi sokunike i-chance khona kokukhunywa nguTopi Machisa lapho ukuthi sokunike i-chance wonke umuntu. Lo muntu osekasa kade esacabanga ukuthi uzaze ethole exposure maybe mzane yenza ama trials eBlood Chiefs or Islanders. Kade esela i-chance edlalela teamini yakadlalela kuyo khona ngale.
Laba ehlulekayo phela time kwesisikhathi lebe libanengi kakhulu encewe ehluleka ngenxa ukuthi we not given enough time. I remember iZifa Unity Cup I think this is the version ezifa unit cup same version ezifa kule team eyadla Capes beyisocial kwagcina ku-identify elinye talent
vele lapha ku-identify khona
khona ku-right because abanye abantu baza-revive ama-carriers abanye
proper
baza-revive ama-carriers lamanye then bese betholani yes-posh so
Exactly.
if they play well they are going to market themselves well vele for initiative enje so siyayibonga kakhulu i-government cause khathesi isport lazo sesingase sithole recognition belokhu esikhala sithi bayasineglect when it comes into ze-sport kulezinye izinto eziyabe ziqakathekiswa zifandwa but khathesi zithize so kungcono la i-government nayisisethi singenele siyakwazi ukuthi leso kuthiwa kusoze kuphelele ukuthi kube icup yona le kuphela izangenela improve le-infrastructure ezadlalela ama-cup matches angikhona.
I think you can say that again. I think you can
ukuthi
say that.
bedinga another sponsorship to build ama-infrastructures to partner with ama-city councils ukuze bebuild ama-stadiums la
sibe labo Chawanda Stadium abaningi.
exactly
So but that ilokho zeni ama-stadiums ya-announcwa kudala. I think maybe abantu kade sibasalungisa nje amaphepha abo because igovernment yakukhuluma ukuthi ole mali yokuyakha kayakhi sizambisela singezelele something phezulu.
But they should also renovate okukhona phela ukuthi sungaqakathekiswa isigqoko esitsha sulahle esidala hayi lazo phela zizakufa zona zizaba ku-state zona ezokuthiwa azisafunwa
Zalubutho to echinja ngani walikhethe sitha. But anyway, overall, I think thumbs up to Munu Mutapa Lokuze Cup. Then kule issue abanye bakhona abanye ba happy PSL charges guys.
mina ngomunye wabakhona nayo
PSL charge Masud.
Mina 100% vele amvumelani layo la. In terms ukuthi bheka abantu manje mabe umuntu esiyakungenisa nge$5 wena ngapho i-living yakho ukuthi phela it's not a crime kuyabukela iLokozeni lapha sabe sifuna ukuyazijabulisa lama teams siyathanda but bengakwenzi kokana ukuthi mana sesibebambele khona ukuthi bazayenzani. You look at izolo i-stadium vele bengagcwalanga kuma VIP ngale siyashuta bekuhlela abantu abangena mahara laba abangani babo yabo. So khona kana kuyabulala i-football vele ngoba i$5 nalana ngiyani kahle vele lema stadium sike satsho uqala ukuthi kusizana ukuthi ukhuphule irent anjo emkhukhwini ongenisa amanzi ngapha kula flow ngabona ukhuphula irent
Bona ngendlela abakufaya ngayo bathi ama team ukuthi be run eLokhuzeni every day to day running e-football club imali yakhona encane so bafuna ukuncedisa ama team ukuthi athole more money.
ngiyakuzwa khona but kukhangele kanje so bathi bafuna ukuncedisa ama-team sethola imali day to day running but let's look at bona bayenzeni ukuthi bengezelele i-prize money winwayo. They did nothing but so they don't even care about the teams bacatsha ngakho khonoko into abayifunayo kuphela ukuthi besicuthe thina khonoko okuncane silakho because umuntu obhadalayo yithi ama-supporters.
Mana already mbali official data yabo sisuse khonapho. The Premier Soccer League would like to advise all stakeholders that following an emergency committee meeting held on 5 March 2026, a resolution was made to review the minimum gate charges for the 2026 Kaslaka Premier Soccer League season. The revised gate charges have been set as follows: rest of ground $5, VIP grandstands $15, VVIP $25. The increase has been necessitated by the rising cost of match day related services, statutory levies and tax obligations that clubs are required to meet in the staging of PSL matches. The PSL remains committed to striking a balance between ensuring that clubs are able to meet the operational costs associated with hosting matches while maintaining reasonable access for fans who remain a vital part of the game. Additionally, we would like to remind our valued fans that the match between the Chicken in Saturday it will be played behind closed doors as the Renters FC will be serving an ongoing disciplinary judgment issued by the PSL disciplinary committee last year.
Right. That it's good to the set for emergency meeting. Who was representing the fans? Good emergency meeting, yeah. So the person abahlale ukuthi bebuthana ngaye akula bengena representative. There was no representative ukuthi khona sithi maybe sithi uArch uMasuthu uzibani bebe represent ama-fans and kukhulunywe lokho kwavunyelwa lokho because bekukhuluma ngokuthi bethatha imali kuma-supporters for the benefit of themselves. 2 bonke kade behlezi khonapho ku-meeting, emergency meeting le ngaze bethi ibhora yi-$20 akulo bhadalayo ungena ebhoreni bangena mahara. You understand? That's because they are giving themselves ama-VIP cards bahamba bengena mahara ama-VIP card lawa. And
they don't feel
the pain, they don't feel the burden yokudinga imali, they don't feel that thing. Bahlezi so awusoze mina wena ungathi khona izolo ndele ngendlala angila kudla endlini yami ungitshela mina ngakaze ngindale ngendlala ngisho ukuthi I don't understand what the pain you are feeling because it's a different story. I'm not in your shoes, but ungabuye ungitshela ngento lami engayifeel, I will understand and I will feel the pain for you. That is why sometimes athi siyacela uncedo komunye umuntu uthi adoda akumbole kuma stand imali ubhathe rent uma stand asisala uboleke umuntu ongalojiyo ngakwazi pressure kama stand, but ungayiboleke umuntu olojayo uyakunika. So sometimes that's how the problem is. Bayahlala bebodwa behlezi bexoxisane phezulu kwento engabazwisi buhlungu engaba affectiyo. Ngaze ethi bemalini VVIP ngaze bethi bahamba behlala khona ngale bebukele nje ukuthi balutshwana njengala abangena mahara. Thina imomo bonke labajala ungena ngale bebhadala bese ngapha sithe khwe. Abajala ubhadala ngale sebebuye nga and 15 ayiningi and sesibuya ukuthi khona lapho and just imagine kulama games njengabo Highlanders Dynamos Highlanders Scotland bayandi sukuba khweza so nxa sebeyikhwezile from $5 kuye ku10 kuya kulabantu abangaka eground.
Hey,
ngitshela abanye
it was about full ufaka ama points amane of which amaningi akhona make sense. Savereza ngazi from you guys Bulawayo Chiefs as ama supporters likuthethe njani ukuthi now PSL sifa ibhora at $5.
Mina personally I think yokuzenini abantu abagazethi price le abakho up to date le reality sibe because the very economic situation le ibingavumi. Mina I thought maybe ibhora lizayehliswa lokwehliswa in order to bring in ama numbers ground because even ngakhanyela last year people were complaining ukuthi $3 iningi for istate sama ground lama performance ama player kathi vele unodurisela ani ungenze abantu eground stadium esinga approve wanga stadium esinga approve wanga la iCAF but eSouth Africa zabe sikhanyele istadium ezadlalela iWorld Cup ngena ama R40
mpondo bro.
So lena susithi $5 ibhora seli R100.
Eish.
Yeah. Kunzima.
But according to incwadi le Tobi ama teams we see ukuthi proper teams are struggling. Bona nxa bekufake njalo according to ile it's a valid reason. Mina ngendlela engikhanyela ngayo was it bongela ngenye indlela yini yokuthi okay ama team let's make maybe imithetho ema stadium silusene a bit sithole indlela ukuthi ama fans ebe maningi kakhulu eground because singakhweza sibulela futhi at the same time because ukukhweza ukubulela ama team ngoba abantu abaningi abasoze bebuye ebhoreni.
Mina I feel like bona ngendlela abakufake ngakhona bona ba right but bebe wrong ngenxa yokuthi ayisiyo ma team onke lama supporters. That's one thing for sure because ungathi wena kathesu ubize maybe chicken versus triangle eBA $45. Do you think ukuthi abantu bayahamba abantu bayabona bayamelela ama results uyabona because $5 iningi but ibhoro ngalithi $2. Imagine wonke umuntu even ungelo kokwenza uyazama sacrifice uhambe njani abantu bebe baninga estadium then imali sinjani isibaningi because $5 it will benefit Highlanders or Dynamos labo babe ngagcwalanga but kebe kungcono. But what about ama team la ngela ama fans they will still strike more because so siba worse than $3 ngoba imagine uyakumele ubhuke eTonga stadium eBF ubhadala amapolisa abantu bengabuyi kuyi$5 izifi ithathe PSA ithathe anje wabontile cancel ithathe imali yayo so vele mdala vele kuyongela litoli luyenzile vele nge$5 but ungathi $2 I think abantu abaningi bazabuya befuna ubukela ibhora yabo
At least yabona Savereza abatheni ngabathe alright sesilinike license yokuthengisa utshwala sesilinike license yokuthengisa ukudla sesilinike license maybe nge ukuthi ama regalia what officially you sell
Even ama-advertisements ukuthi antiyabona ukuthi kayisizo zama-advert kanti vele zikhalelwa yikuyini even ama-team athola malini kuma-TV rights
exactly that's another point
yabo
That's another
wona
serious point.
ama-team into emempona kumele eyikhangele futhi yona they should work on their brains if they work on their brains ama-team azafuna ukuzi-associate ama-company ama-corporate sponsors azafuna ukuzi-associate njani lawo
sponsors
bona abalungisa izinto zabo uma-boardroom bebuye bedinga ama-sponsors zonke izinto ziyahamba
Imali
kuhle
yethu
you have seen
imbasela.
imali yethu le vele asonto yothithwana
I think usuthashe into yama TV rights because we see ZTN ZBC ba screen how much are they paying ama team
Ama-team.
it from screen akhono kana ilokuzeni ibhola le Zimbabwe
lapho awula umuntu osekhulume ngakho vele
because super sport we knew ukuthi
we knew
super sport i club so and so uyathola imali
imali,
engaka u broadcast ku super sport
but akade awula umuntu
so
okhulume
uyabona ukuthi ngabe kube le ndlela zokuthi ama clubs athola imali from other means most important from because amanye ama team amaningi across the world ungacheck even South Africa imali ibhadalwa ngama super sport mdala those are serious monies
izetiyeni la amadola atiyona yafuna from abantu ukuthi bebukele ibhora iza anika abantu ayakubani amadola wona lawo ukusubscribe for ama-games
you understand
those teams I think mina kumele la kuhlalwe phansi kukhulunywe because kayisi iZTN I think is the only lokuzeni broadcasting channel elama rights and
Is it
ikhathesi bazabe bekhweza ibhora besithi ibhora $5 oZTN bona besithi $1 izulu liyana umuntu uzabona ngcono ukuthi ehambe eground ubebukele efonini
you understand
vele umuntu ngedola uyazibukelela e-TV because lamanye ama-game yabo usukhetha like maybe usufuna ama-big teams uyabona into yabe sehlupha
ezinye izinto amadoda singakhuluma sibili of course ngaze sikhulume njani kanti sikhona sichaya idwala ngempama but bafuze nxa if they are true leaders they should hear us this football belongs to us not to them they are doing it for us not for them because akuncedi ukuthi sibuyele ku-area ye-covid ukuthi ke-bhora ladlala ku-empty stadium kona ngaso-covid because for now abantu sizangena emabhoreni because of ama-excitement kunama-point angu-21 ekhunywa ngumachise yakhunywa ngolokuzenini umasutu uthe kona uzakhweza njani indlu irenti wena ivuza ungayilungisanga uqala ukuthi ingavuzi lapha impahla zami zibola phakathi ilokuze nini bakhwezile laphana ama-players aphume gule ku-stadium ngamanzi lawa ama-clapos lade siwabukela izolo lawa aso into ongayikhwezela ibhora we can't even host a national team or even ama-CAF games eZimbabwe we can't even do that but sikhweza ama-games to $5 edlule ama-games kwamazweni akwanisa ukuhost awe-CAF even i-World Cup wise like South Africa
ikhafa iduri nje ifiki $5
40 rand
ayifiki $5 ikhafa
which is $2 push volumes
avumela vele ukubhadala nomidoli
push volumes
because awuncedi ukuthi wena kayesi ucharge price ye-quality usehluleka ukuthi instead of ngabe kuthiwa kumbe yayenza kube le quantity eningi bona bafuna ukuthatha into ngidlahlala ngikhuluma into eyi-one i-PSL ayekele ukubuya le private school mentality ukuthi bona bafungeza izinto ze-Cambridge khona sikwathi wonke umuntu kumele ebhalize imseki hhayi lokho akuphumi vele
indaba
siyaphakama from ama-$3 lawana sikhulume betshela abantu no asilungiseni ama-stadiums ethu singalungisa ama-stadiums ethu according to meet ama-standards lawana do you think ukuthi ama-clubs lana nxa efuna ukuthi khona Highlanders Chickenini Blight Chiefs befuna ukulungisa i-BF lana up to the standard bengehle ukupartner up le council la ifake imali and council la benefit benzi ilokuze ne-memorandum of understanding build up that stadium nxa sebekuse-apply ku-council nosifuna ukuthi lokuze nini sizama ukuphendukisa imali esiyifakile lapho ukuthi siyakhe ngayo kanje bonto i-ama-toll gate ya-group 5 lana Durai lana lokuze nini ku-Harare Road le Plummet Road it's an initiative ayenziwa between government le-group 5 khathesi nxa usiya lokuze nini kuthiwa ngapha ePlummet uyabona ukuthi ngihamba ngisheleni umgwaqo uyavuma ukuthi ngibhadale $5 i-toll gate even $6 i-toll gate uyavuma because you are paying for the value for your money ayikho nto siyebukela ama-clapos lawana anganthiwa umntwana odlala emadakeni sasitshawa singadlala emadakeni but sebesekele wathi sebedlala emadakeni ngale abantu abadala
I think if government ikwanisa ukuthi i-channel imali enga 25 million nalelo kuzenini eBoreni ani ayinye imali yokuthi ku renovate ama stadium kumele ngakuthiwa imali vele la ekhona
If from government.
Cause ikhathesi ukuthi wena ungayenzela abantu iparty ungela venue kuyaphuma yini bagidela nga yikho sinasi babona begidela emadakeni iparty ngaba mnandi sivili party kungela venue omyagcine weli kheke
Andifuna ukuthi iPSO nxa icabanga izinto lezi bayengagcinele ukuthi thina sikhiphe izimali kuphela. So siya-check even kwamanye singayikhatshana eSouth Africa khona ungabukela maybe ama games involve Orlando Pirates or Kaizer Chiefs. Kuyayenzwa ama activities ayenza ukuthi ama supporters ebuye even early stadium.
This is what I was saying.
Kuyabizwa ama artists perform, ama activities, ama sponsors sponsor ama team winisa bayenza ama rafu winisa ama ama activations kana nje kuyamotivate supporter ukuthi lona vele lihlale lifuna ukubuya eground lingasakhayelanga ukuthi kubhadalwe imali and kungaba njalo ukuthi iPSL inga-investa in stadium experience mostly.
But even la kokunye I think ama teams wona lawa ayehlulwe uthola imali day to day amanye ama initiatives should come through them bese betshela iPSL no sifuna iPSL can only do so much. Understand? Because baza khangela to right ufuna uthengisa utshwala bese bekhangela indlela zokuthi right nxa team A ifuna uthengisa utshwala how then can we go about it because ekudeni abantu abaningi wena babefuna ukubukela ibhola uyabona even beef baqala bezinathele phandle abantu ngenxa ukuthi phakathi abuthengisa utshwala so ama teams if they can take that initiative and bethi sifuna ukuthengisa thina bebe lendlela zabo maybe ba partner up labo Delta whatsoever but bekwanisa ukuthola imali out of that. You understand? Awusoze bekhale kakhulu ngoba iPSL ikhala ukuthi ama team athasela malo akwanisa ukuthi bezirane kuhle kuhle. You understand? So ama streams of revenue abamanengi kuvunyelwe ezinye izinto eground. I think mina ama initiatives be sharp azancedisa.
But ama team phela ebezama la ekhanya ukuthi ama initiatives la afuna la ukuthi bengenele like let's say ukuthi mina I'm a Highlanders supporter but whenever bekudlala ichicken in bengihamba even ngihamba lo mntwana bengikwazi ukuthi beside ukuthi babenikeza ama lokhozeni lawana ukuthi suwinile nje kulesikhathi ukuthi kwaba lama games angazi mbe ngabala more than 7 abebenikeza bona bebhoda ngamalokhozeni bebenikeza everybody yabo when bangabona lo mntwana vele bese bekunikeza yabo so into ukuthi ngaze ngihambe ngilesizungu mala ngiyengena nge$3 yama so manje sebethe $5 la usuyacabanga ukuthi $5 ngipha ngiyabukela ichikenini ngiyatholani yabo so ubona ukuthi ababona ukuthi bathi be-introduce $5 le ama games anjengabo chickenini triangle akusazi kube labantu Bulawayo Chiefs even now Highlanders la ungekupha ukuthi uyabukela Highlanders khona njenge-weather ngathola ukuthi kuyanetha uyedla $5 yakho kule dollar ukuthi subscribe uzibukelele
issue I think iPSL mele beyikhangelisise beyinanzelele bebona ukuthi bengakuyenza njalo ukwenza ama fans cause ibhora kungela ama supporter gens let's be honest akuphumi
phela sesingathi iPSL la cause ama clubs wona la ngamaye mele bengenele bebona ukuthi hayi into le yayenza because sometimes
uzathola ukuthi maybe sebakhulumela uqinisile
ama $5 athara yabona ama clubs yomele ekhuluma
wena uziyale wena la ngikungothengisayo iproduct ingazothiwa khona kwezi product yakho uzakhweza because ufuna imali
but kwanza ukuthi wena bethi kwezi product yakho onobona ngaze ngikhweza ungihambeli kuyabuya abantu abayithini
I think they will review afterwards
because I think ivele kuyongayi chuthi bona abakufuna
sesifela leyo chawanda leyafika sesifela chawanda
yathitheni wathi angcono siye ku5
exactly yes ifela yakulo kunye baqhatha ichawanda
but kulama team amangaki madoda kuPSL asikezwe ama-teams akakhulumi uTopu I think uTopu right
mina yawanti
I think uTopu right
fans sengakhala imali what about ama clubs as fans
It goes back to ipoint kabutho
ama-stakeholders ahlale phansi yiwo ama-clubs
sisitsho ukuthi ama clubs wona athi
bavumelana
so iko ngikutsho ukuthi so abantu bona bakhulumela ama clubs akanalivuma njani intenje uyabona because iPSL yona iyafaka phansi imithetho ithi so singathi $5 ma clubs lithini abantu bephakamisizana abantu bethi jaba so thina sesingasoli iPSL but ama clubs wona athi
inkinga vele ngizokutshela ukuthi khona kana bathi besakwenza i-meeting yabo kuma-stakeholders yabo kwakungela stakeholder elikhulu angama-supporters
exactly
because babefuze bezwe i-point ye-support at least even eyi-1 la nxa bezayicrush la nxa bezayikranta but they're going to put it into consideration in the future because umuntu onayenza batshithi I know $5 it's good for the day-to-day running of the club but it's also in a disadvantage because in everything we are doing you have to look at the advantages and the disadvantages then you weigh at the end ukuthi okulokuningi kuphi lokulushwane kuphi then you go for the favorable one but bona manje bona bakhangela okufavor bona because each wonder ayithe $10 eqaliseni so sesile chawanda but akwenza ukuthi stadium esihle so singenwe nge$3 that's the point singafuna ucatsha ngomuntu
akaja but mina ngikutsho ukuthi ama stakeholders ahambayo for represent ama clubs yiwo angayisiyo uyabona because at least kwamele uhamba abantu abakwaziyo
abantu bama-econ abama VIP pass abantu bama-econ abalama VIP pass yabo hayi
babahambayo bengahamba bafika bevumelane yonke into yona leyana then thina at the end of the day sesithi PSL is wrong but ikanti bona babefake into njani phansi because atsha bonke eChawanda iPSL yangenele yathi no we will revise this what get charges uyabona
basebesithi
5 i10 vele ayivumi abantu basebesithi hayi 5 njani i-right
which means ilokuze nini iChawanda ilalelanga phela iChawanda because kuthiwa khona ubalile imemo yabantu $5 rest 15 and 20 bona bathi $5 50 and 100 which means abalalanga phela kuloko okunye ongithu
I think i-VIP ati alizikhetheli na ezi
ifuze ukulandela lokho
because iyahlupha as win ama VIP vele i-VIP ziyahlupha i-VIP wena usungakhala nge5 i-VIP kibo i5 vele bengayizwa
akunandaba lokuthi bayizwa omba bayizwa ngile ndaba lokulandela ama rules lina iproblem inabantu abathi ngahamba kuma meeting kanje la sibuyilalisa lina
hayi simbulalisa no into ngitsho
njengechawanda
ilama states anti
iChawanda stadium man ezithizi aso stadium esingakwanisa ukuthi singathi $5 i-VIP wonke umuntu uyabe ufuna ukuya kwe-VIP
but even ungasoChawanda
even eBF uyabona
kulabanye abantu vele abafuna ukuhlala bodwa you understand ukuthi even bengathi $5 i-rest of ground i-island yakwanisa ukuthi thina siwom i-VIP 50
exactly hayi VIP vele yahluka i-rest of the ground yomele
umthetho utheni okhulunywe ePSL 15-20 lingajustify into engekho emthethweni
no what I'm saying is
what you are saying you are justifying something which is wrong
uyakwanisa ukukhweza but bona bese bekugazetela
uyakwanisa ukukhweza
hayi vele that's why ubona even umthetho wakho unje
sifuna umthetho yakho into ofuna ukuzenzela
kuwo manje useBF kuwo manje iPSL na kulomthetho ukuthi i-VIP is 15 rest of the ground $5 i-VIP 15 i-VIP 25 wena ngenxa yokuthi yona
uzibona ngcono uzibona ngcono wena
asikho yazi ngizabe ucorrectana uyakwanisa ukukhweza but iPSL ibisikugazeti ukuthi lapho usuhambe kakhulu
so 100 asuhamba kakhulu
so phela ingafani
for VIP
ngabe ikwanisa bona 100 asuhamba kakhulu
for VIP vele even 200 for VIP even 500
bebethi $3 impilo and $5 isowethu yabo
that's what I'm trying to say
that's another thing
I think abantu abayabala drinkers umuntu uyabehleze VIP ehlele wakhayela so wabona isowethi igcwele wahle engasakhangela ukuthi ngapha empankweni abantu bayakhona ngube ngapha empilo end abantu bakhona so
as let's hope mina I'm hoping ukuthi nxa i-season continue ama numbers drop abaza kukhangela
vele inkinga ekhona ukuthi i-benchmark ama games abukela ngabantu abaningi yiyo ama games abe kucela abantu iyalendazi kade singaze ukuthi $10 the rest of the ground they will go bayabetshinga bephakathi ngaze bethi 20 they will go
abangahambi khona ku-VIP
kuya VIP behambe but ukuhamba bazahamba so
abahambi kodwa izulu lingana bazefuna ukuyeqela
Apa no siyalizwa guys.
so as long as ugeja ngoba Islanders oDynamos eScotland you are getting wrong you are using zero
yiko ngitsho ukuthi ama-stakeholders ade hambile abo-Highlander Dynamos abe sharp bona because bayakwazi ochikenini bengavuma
Because majority
kodwa
rules.
wena awazweli ngani ama-supporters eDynamos njengoba khathi ese-ascot bekugcwele amanzi soyana ngiyazibuza ukuthi $5 ngiyazibuza ukuthi $5 le ade beyibhadele besiyahlala phezu kwamanzi wonke lawa kubone mdala kubone
ama-stakeholders ahambileyo ngale yiwarong mdala because wona afikile athi aswi ichikenini abathi aswi babuye eground
Babevumile.
itrend yathi aswi sizabuye ikariba athi amnandi
Hotel one babethe.
bathe swi
Baba wazi abantu.
maybe nathi izothi esingela mali abantu balayo imali
You understand? That's another thing. Because even BF izolo I remember abanye abantu bebesithi swi.
baningi
Abantu bebesithi clean. I5 So in moving on, I think lay sizayibona is this is in progress ukuthi how far. I think let's best sikhangele ama games obukhuma ama stadiums. Sikhangele ama games adlaliwe emanzini wona lawo. Ema stadium wona lawo elamanzi from Friday nje basifuna improve ama stadiums. Mbone another interesting iDynamos igame abantu omedlala Saturday. KwaNizulu eAscot then basesithi game lena adlala ngeSunday ngo10 ekuseni izulu avuka ligqoba vuna but uCEO wePSL uRodwell Thabwe ubekhona ngale elokhuzeni I think bazafaka maybe ivideo ekhuluma lapha esithi some parts are waterlogged but ama-experts ama-experts athe swi i-ground
vele ungabona ibhora zidlala ngo-10 sokuyi-social street yikho ubona vini lokudlalelwa ngithi kodwa phela vele
Yeah, we are currently at Ascot Stadium, and after the emergency that arose yesterday when the match failed to be played, we had to rush on the ground so that we can be able to make emergency decisions, informed emergency decisions together with the match officials. So, having looked at the weather forecast, we had a promise of a bright start in the morning, which is why the match was scheduled for 10 a.m. But unfortunately, early in the morning, the rain started pounding again. And we had to make critical decisions and delay kickoff again by another hour to restart at 11. We reassessed the pitch together with the technical experts, the match officials, and they gave us their report to say largely most parts of the pitch seem to be in good condition and playable. Only a few parts in certain areas seem to be waterlogged, but we have made contingency issues by draining some of the water with generators and booster pumps. So now we are ready to go and we are kicking off and we hope we have a great game. But I can assure you that the safety of the players has been taken into consideration and the match has been deemed to be playable by the match officials. So we hope for the best and that it doesn't start raining once again.
cause yabona ukuthi yiko mina ipoint yami kuyikuthi sensithi sokuyi-social sengikhulumela ukuthi vele ama-ground angikhona appruvanga la ikhafu kodwa le bhora langikhona seliphinda libuye lidlale ngo-10 futhi so anti yabona ivele but i-communication i-communication ivele yona ye-PSL I think i-wrong la
umthetho webhora wona uthi khona nxa ibhora lingaba disturbed ukudlalwa ngesikhathi lifuze lidlala ngayo for whatever reason it might be lifuze continue tomorrow before 10 o'clock failure to do that sekuyi-up match abandon so leyana ikubona idlalwe ekuseni iyalendazi le chickenini kuyi-cup izulu lake lana futhi lapha ne-BF yazoqediswa the following day lu-5 lo ngumthetho okhona FIFA lo.
My Warriors thing up is a very reason. We've got our PSL CEO ukhuluma statement uthi some parts of the pitch are waterlogged. Mina to me once you say that the game must not go on.
Alright. Kunapho yena akakho wrong because umsebenzi wakhe is to report what he has been told. Ubone into kulamanzi kuyafana nokuthi khona uzothiwa khona i-player so ile injury but udoctor take and play. As a coach, you cannot go against the doctor because they're not expert on that. So yena uthethe into ayitsheliweyo ngama experts wasekhuluma ukuthi khona kodwa ngikubonile ngamehlami ngibone kulamanzi kwezinye indawo. So i-expert level khambela yabo into amanzi la yakwanisa ukudlaleka but thina ngokubona kwethu amanzi bengadlaleki.
So lapha sisula ama expect. Kanti yipi expect ngoba mdala lokhana I think you are putting even impilo zama yazi injury engayenzakala emanzini anjalo because ungaslide awumi full force ama injury angayenza. It's very fortunate ukuthi asitholanga any incidents but guys
those are the very same aspects athi ama stadium akho right amanya right kodwa wonke abhani
I-drainage system is far much better than wonke adlala. Wonke is them even if BFIF
Luveve stadium is the stadium in question. Ungakhayela iyaskoti mina vele Luveve.
Irufaro ibona ibinjani amagodi lana kanti okona ngensoro.
Luveve pass igijima chenzi. Can compare Luveve.
Kanti uzayehleka kanjani ukuyipasisa vele kungena stadium esivunyelwa eZimbabwe.
Eish. So slow umsebenzi.
Nxa singapasi vele kungena stadium esipasile which means vele eZimbabwe akulalutho.
Slow one stadium esipaswe ikhafu. One.
Iluveve ingcono phela kule Rufaro yakwazi. In terms of pitch
playing surface.
Liyana vele ngabe ngani ngamachibi iRufaro.
Mina I think Luveve vele by far ungayi compare with ama you see place esidlalile isimba le Manika. Madoda.
Idlalile Tonga. Idlalile eKipo.
Ekipo. Did you see?
Stadium.
kanti lapha befunda igame after game lana besebenza kanjani behle behlanyela ama sugar cane because beyongathi i-plantation la yazokra
But also tell said them singcono leLuveve.
hayi
You understand the ngisho?
vele maningi ama grounds
I-BF ehle ku-host game ilamanzi amaningi ladlalwa the following day izulu liloku lisina eLuveve i-drainage lokhu ishap i-drainage eLuveve ishap bona basola any other things because anti vele nxa bepasisa pitch bahamba kuma sitting kuma terraces kuma suma
basola
balunywe isikhathi bani mina balunywe isikhathi bani sidisini
Luveve buyoyo. Hayi Luveve buyoyo uyafika.
Abunyonyo bukhona but my weather njani ubunyonyo abuko.
But Luveve buyoyo. Hayi Luveve buyoyo uyafika. But on a serious note just to me I think but on a serious note I think Luveve ingcono lama
I think bayisolele nje anti kula basics amanye angana upgrade wambijana ukuthi at least i-VIP ayibe lama bucket seats ama media njani
ngathiwa imedia yakona ilipi joy ama broadcasting akona vele kulutshwana ufaka i-camera one phandle bafuna imedia yana kula radio abayenzayo usiray
so kathi sona kakhulu but to improve ibhora we understand kumele kumele
asiyali konke konokani but esikutsho ukuthi khona akula vele ground elivunyelwa eZimbabwe bese lilalise linye njani
in terms of ama cup standard
no one and no place behind kodwa kuthiwa iLuveve yenza
ngakuyayenza ngasonke silayina isecha wandu kuyadlala khona because sivunyelwayo Monday to Fridays
just issue is a serious issue because sesiba lama team angani maningi this side so iBF ingadlalelwa yodwa iyakhulelwa iyaqinisa nje iRufaro yabona iRufaro yadlala Friday Saturday Sunday iground liyana ngeke ivuke sabe lokho isikhala iground yabithwele nzima iground iyafuna iphumule because imagine
That's why City Rufaro athi amagodi indaba ukuthi idlale
Friday Saturday Sunday lama I think so
yavela amagodi nge-first game Friday yayiphuma leyo
because even
yazi problem yabe senzakala ngale Harare and ama team maningi ngale abe idlalela already so vele that's why siba njalo so ama team ama ground nje abo Luveve adlalelwa kakhulu kuyabe kungela team vele that's why lona yankhona ihlala perfect but le yabe sigcwalile uzabona iBF layo sokuchisa lapha kuyaso kuyisikwakwa kwezinye indawo ngenxa yama team
let's look at the matches that played Friday up to izolo ngeSunday. Ama-results aphumile or the games that interested or surprised or whatever way, but let's just look at ngama-results nje aphumile.
When it comes to match day opener, season opener le. Mina intenza fukhala kiyo kakhulu iPE lokhuzeni. iPSL should work on the communication skills.
Chicken.
Yeah, igame echicken ndaphana ilana kwaba i-disappointment.
Bahle babhala anibona incwadi yabona iphume nini?
Yaphume ekuseni.
Ekuseni. Abantu sebehambile.
Imagine umuntu sebhadela ibhasi. Uye Harare. Sonke amabhasi siyawazi ibehavior abantu bamabhasi.
Angeke vele
ukuthi ungathi wena usuthe Harare khonapho yabucelile wa negotiate maybe wathiwa Harare 15 wena wathi nje 13 sufika futhi eGweru susithi hayi madoda athiwa ngasabuyi ngesisani la
akhona ngelisana kuphela right ngicane change because sembhadala kuphela leGweru qasi idrama emshovu lokuzene ebhasini
no refund itikile la ibhalwe no refund
yabona usuluzile
ngiyakuthola in terms of communication them.
yabona usuluzile no one is going to compensate you on that
straight
but on the game itself I get this ale issue is a very serious issue ngiyayibona but egamini i1-1 lana butho
yahle affect ekhono ku
engabhalanga iPSL kathi ukuthi
ayizange ibhalti empty settle
bakhuluma Rentals first 2 games I have
but who's
first 2 home games and iyadlala behind closed doors.
Right, even the same thing and the end bakhuluma on match day ngeSaturday abantu sebesiyadlala same ilokuze nini i-20 i-notification yakhona iphuma same time futhi lokuthi khona ama-market charges $5 abantu sebesiyabhadala emabhora sibudget $3 utala you understand so right lokho bakukhuluma last year $3 sengilungisele $3 ngisuke endlini vele nhle ukuthi ngile $33 yami i$3 ngiyokubukela 15 ngiyokuhamba 15 ngophenduka semva lo muntu uyafika kimi phandle ansela 33 ayisekwana mina ngisendleleni madoda semva lo muntu uyabukela istadium umuntu afike mbonela ufalo mphenduka ayikhazi kungcono nxa usela unegotiate usiyalo usuphenduka vele iyarara yadula
so lapho okunye igane soruba boblo ubese sebalekele ukuthi imbuzi ukuthi igame yadlala njani
saphanya nje uhambo wasiphambanisa wonke ama-fans nxa ngiyekho ikubona kunqatha ama-fans opana because icorporate sesihlohlile first half sileader lapha sesihlabela nathi khona phana itopola kusiya phambili la nxa siba lutshwane bebengasuze behlohlolela nelandelayo so lena iPSL ifault iPSL lana ewana asofe
fine uku-communicate ama-$5 anti ama-teams wona eyi-2 anti nxa ehlangana laphana pre-match laphana akutshelana indaba lezi ukuthi i-Rentals ivele ihle itshele ukuthi nje bafethu vele akuvunyelwa ama-fans
asikaze sihlale kikho kulo kwama mituko
singaqala I think i-Premier vele yimsebenzi yakho Premier yimsebenzi yokutshelana ama-kids
i-Rentals litshele abantu be-chicken
liqokani kusasa lama bhibi kwini yonke ilokhuzeni yikho mina sengikutsho ukuthi even ku-chicken union kumele kube lomunye umuntu okwaziyo vele ukuthi i-Rentals uhanjwa ngela ama-support
lomele ihlale itshele i-chicken isibhalile
ama-stakeholders acabangela ama-supporter ake ngithi team enje
yathi problem ingaphi Saveres
uyabekhohliwe njengathi
so
yena akumelanga
uyabona Saveres yikho kutsho ama-stakeholders
hayi iPSA ayikhohlwa iPSA yakhuluma iyathi lokuzeni i-Rentals ibikwazi but pre-match to i-build up i-chicken ini le renders omele zitshelane
Uzanele.
i-chicken and i-steak
Vele yinto
i-renders la futhi omele
Awuzolami
ibhale
ngibuzile.
ama-supporters ayo ukuthi ma-supporters ethu musawuye
Simba.
amuvumiro ku-stadium sizalifonela
yikho mina engikutshoyo nje uyabona akhanye thi sometimes thina i-PSS asifuna ukuyisole sisole but wena lina as a team lani kufana lama-yellow cards lina i-PSL iyakwanisa la ukuthi ikhiphe nge-Friday lina lo manager are you taking amalokuzenini ama-cards ama-players uyabona because lona ngumsebenzi wano manager ukuthi awumatch namhla uthethe 1 next game umatchisa sele 2 iliyana sele 3 then i-PSL kwesinye isikhathi iyakwanisa ukungakhiphi ikhiphe ekuseni kumbe ikhiphe selise-dressing room ilitshela ukuthi awumatchisa kadlali la uyabona ususpended and i-situation yale yake yayenzakala uyabona so I think umsebenzi yabo manager yona leyana vele yokuthi bebone bona ukuthi izinto zonke zihamba njani
nje technical team matches these days vele zikhulu
Eh,
lapha
nje.
abantu sebefaka into eziningi sebebalekela ama-results bemfuna sikhayela bemfuna sikhayela ama-results
i-first game la na sakhuluma even last episode ukuthi i-Hunters won't be a easy game for Imosi
yange-Friday
nge-Friday because i-Hunters layo kangathi ama-teams really seemed like they were really working hard preparing for this season vele wonke ama-team akula kuthiwa i-team encane abantu babuye beyama-giant bajimile
isizini mele zibophe ziqine
Ngathi i-Hunters abantu abangakunanzeleliyo nge-Hunters it's not i-Hunters liya
hayi
yimombe yawura and futhi yona le i-Hunters ila ama-experienced players amaningi adlalayo so abantu bangihamba besithi i-Hunters liya they will be surprised ufico Demba ufico Fumbidzayi ufico yabona uMaklayivu ufico yabona abaningi vele uNadolo yabona bonke ile quality eningi yona vele they will compete manje abantu laba
was clear a draw. It was literally written ukuthi a draw because khona ukuthi ngabantu teams vele ongu2 even though ihlanganise ba i-Hunters and lokuzenini imongombe yawora bebonke ku division 1 just as season ago but nonetheless ama results like i-chicken ini ithethe lapha yagcina khona yagcina nge-1-1 iqalise nge-1-1 the same thing okwenziwe ngayo indlela igcina nge-1-1 yaqalisa nge-1-1 so kusho ukuthi khona sisiya phambili ngale asisichaya
asiqede yona le phambili sazizicheck
so then sibuye kulokuzenini ku result engimangalisileyo lami ngelokuzenini ngezi platinum ingezi platinum winning against FC Platinum mina I ruled that out in fact I said 2-1 in favor of ilokuzenini FC Platinum but kungasenani sibona into ibhora alidlalwa ngomlomo lidlalwe ground and the home advantage they used it as well to their advantage the fact that they have jailed bahlala bonke futhi isikhathi eside regardless ukuthi abasayinanga khona kana ke bakuncedisa it works as a big advantage more than ama teams wonke because
they came from behind
abadingi ukuthi bebeyazana babekwazi ngesikhathi esinqane receive ibhora sethi uzibane besevenze so i-weakness kazibani njani nxa ungabona senza sokuthi mina sedini yombe sokunjani bencedisana unlike laba abasafundana because isikhathi esiningi bebonana lokuthiwa lokho ama-friendlies and nxa bekuma-friendlies ama-players amaningi esaba ukulimala because bafunani i-number on the first day so kade isigame siqalisa ukudlalwa it's now reality it's a bit difficult for the coaches, a bit difficult for the players to get ama results anganangcono.
Game, I think to me it's one game also yena le ikhuluma engezi but kule team othi mvele mfunga uyibona ukuthi iyaqhatha i-Capes because I think i-Capes bought a lot of players especially from Ingezi yena le ikhuluma core players almost 7-8 players from konke you understand so bemfunga uyibona i-Capes iyaqalisa njani I think for them uqalisa nge-win because ama-team abe-struggle la season labo Highland labo Dynamos yephezulu ye-goal difference I think i-Capes also bengikhayele ngelinye and taking into consideration bebedlala le Agama i-team evela phansi layo engani ilezimali zayo Agama phela layo ishap. You understand? So I think i-Capes like, proved Topi ukuthi this season they are here to compete.
Hayi Caps I think ilama experienced players ungayikhanyela kuhle vele you could tell ukuthi bafuna ukenzani bona yabo even iagama mina I think la it's a good side because ungayibona la ibisela kube 1-1 isizadliwa 2-1 which means la so bad side because la ivela division 1 yabo so then sukhayelo abo Caps vele imandate this year vele uyabona is championship uyabona la ngama players akhona lapha quality yodwa mdala so uyabona ukuthi abantu laba they mean business this year.
Then what you vandalize mdala
Ubuthi ukhulume one thing yangani ya clash of party right. Uthe bona bese ngale kokana kwama supporters kwababulala. Ibhora laqasa sakhuluma ukuthi ibhora it's not about the football kuphela about the pitch okwenzakala ku pitch. Kukha kwenzakala ku ngale kuya affect abafana lapha. Izolo mina vele bathe bengena ngisengabhora into ukuthi esikhiphi ilogo akukhanya ukuthi kumbe iJuventus kumbe iNewcastle 1 kuKanada kwakusuka wasibulala 1 2 our coach vele la uswabaphandle ama substitution akhe abaphangu akuqedakala ukuthi ekhipha abantu abangalokuzeni abantu abangawaboni ibhora ufaka abantu be waste isikhathi ngabo 89 minutes so silekhe ucoach sadleka izinto eziningi sadleka vele ngathi thina vele automatically ucoach ambona ukuthi silaye
but ilogo ayisiyo
ilogo asilaye ilogo asoya Island ingaphi efuna amabinocular ilogo ya Islanders ungadinga ilogo ya Islanders yazi bawusithi Highlanders antsho ukhuluma ngehawu leliya without ihawu leliya ihawu vele ihawu ngokwani
ingwane vele
but ikhawuli khona
ihawu lingawe okay ulibone ngawe nihawu
just say abafana bethu
sidinga zwana
ibone ngo half 2
okay sizacela ukuthi ngapha besibonisa nje i100 yabona lapha ubhala 100 years lapha yikho ufake khona ikha ukuthi kufuneka amabinocular baba ukuthi kuzukubona
Benza kube kugcwala ikit yonke.
Hayi vele iIslanders kumele bele logo yayo ihawu layo
Ilobela baba.
ulibone ngawe
I think kule point esimisa ayikhuluma issue yana lami ngithemba ukucheka ukuthi hawo so lenduku lelokuzeni ngawo
which is wrong.
no it's not wrong Usaveres is making a very good point ikhidlani lonke ngo half 2 ngesande bayilonke ngo half 2 abachasisanga ukuthi bazama ukwenzani but kulomuntu oyichase in detail ku Facebook what no i-design le ngeka 1926 iIsland ithe iqalisa that was the logo ngolona leliya ngo 1926 that was so i-design so bona i-design lana ilabantu abaka 19 ama legends aka 1926 so i-design lana is for 1920 appreciate i-team lapho yaqalisa khona ilogo lela linjalo ngo 1926 then later on they said ichange zasobona lelana ikhona but maybe they will explain in detail but you can't say ukuthi into elenze la draw the Chiefs
Explain admin is velo kala ukuthi abayiChiefs bebelele eground.
But I think mina even the design itself ungakhanyela ukuthi appreciate 1926 up to Kates.
No makes sense. But nxa ungachazisanga it doesn't not make sense.
I think
that's the purpose yolokuzeni yemedia. That's the purpose ukuthi by the moment bekhuluma kwaphana people should let know 1926 akulo ayikhona phela la. Akulo ayibona laba bengekho. So kufuze
nje ngo have 2 nje.
Yabona but esikhala ama results mina I think iIslanders underestimated iBlack Chiefs just because gabe kuthiwa bavela ku D1 but mina benhlala nditshela even before game started ukuthi iChiefs izabuya ilokhu lomfutho lwana ovela la ku D1 iGiants layer nasila about eBorena kula Johnson ukuthi City Islanders ngoba iteam enkulu ibhora liyadlalwa umlomo antu awucalela mfula
but let's look at the game holistic I think sonke lapha silibuka sonke bese beef ibhora silibonile
iIslanders changed iplay ukuthi iplay ababuyela second half ngabaqase ngayo first half they're going to get a better result And defense Chiefs has to be more careful because they concede a lot of corners. By so doing, sometimes you end up with a kombele mloteni. Ngoba uyakwenza emathimini athengayo ref esiwaziyo lana singasesiwaqamba amabizo. Bese bethengile ukuthi alo ref lokho lechama khona kumuntu eboxini sekombele mloteni. So they have to be careful on how they defend. Don't defend, you keep it phandle mostly. They defend, you be the ground. It's better way that way.
To be when analyzing igame uyibone njani? Usummarize nje ngendlela uyibone ngayo.
Igame ngathi i-Chiefs yona they wanted a result. Ireland obviously wena nge-play yabo vele PF they have to no keep around until they open up i-defense yangale. But manje i-Chiefs benze kuhle sibili but you can't defend 90 minutes because at the end lizaba tired, then ungaba tired, that's why you end up senze penalty or something into ezinjengazona lezo like amakhona akhuluma ngawo because ngabona lisiba lamakhona maybe more than 6-7 which means you are defending a lot. Uyabona i-team. So I think ngwana yikho kuba yenze bagcina labo because at around 80 minutes yikho kenzakala khona i-penalty. Uyabona abantu bayasebediniwe. Uyabona abantu bayasebediniwe. So I think into yenzakele. Otherwise I think le ndaba bale ku team sibili labo bashota khonapho here and there, you know ukuthi abantu vele le ndaba ilabantu ukuthi bafuna ukuwina every game abafuni ukuthi uyabona yikho bona le kit bayasola konke vele yabo but bona balama good players you could see la ukuthi hayi it's a good team because like a new team phela isikho ukuthi i-team kade ikhona laba safundana futhi uyabona new team new coaches uyabona because kanyela bona i-new team new coaches bonke ayisibo even abalast day bengekho so ngabantu labana basaqalisa labo and bazagcina labo sebejela abafana because abaningi ukuthela ukuthi awuyabusasaba i-crowd la but as time goes on uzabona dasha
yanto yakuthi iplayer ngona kodwa bengajengisa ukuthi ngabantu ade beseBotswana abadlala labantu ade bengayanga ndaba.
But wena from ilihlo lakho as a Chiefs fan, i-Chiefs rate njani ukhangele so far ngegame zone?
If you pick up from that locus and from that last game, khathesi lami sengaba lesibindi ukuthi even le cup sesingazama ukuyicontestela sibili noma bechicken besithi babazathatha kodwa
Laba futhatha ngomlomo.
Ngomthringa wethu.
undiraya wathena kahambelanga ama-RS
isibuku ngesethu imuno mtapa ngeyethu hayi league isithethe
ichiphuku ukuthi izaqhubeka lokho ikhona
Iyaqhubeka.
kumbi idelta somele ithatha imali yane ichiphuku ihlanganise ingezelela imali yeleague
avele futhi sibe lama-cups amaningi
Hayi ama-cups ashaba.
maningi malutshwane vele ama-cup
but ikhalenda yethu phela iyasitshaya nto ilakwazi
lama-midweek games
Ama-midweek games abesefunakala. Ama-midweeks abesefunakala. But I think ngithatha okhunye ngomachisa from that game you could tell ukuthi there is something from the two teams, especially Chiefs. I like what you are saying. Even though defense butho said ukuthi bebe attack could be considered kakhulu amakhona, but from a team evela ku Division 1 you could not tell because they posed the midfield got too much, especially in middle of the park. They posed lokana ukuthi bebejengisela ukuthi bafuna something and they were playing productive football. Ngakho productive football it reward useve kakhulu ukudlula uma triples okutshengisela ukuthi Chiefs befika egedini and ungakhumbula first half I think bakhuthe 3 clear cut chances, not lawana omkokotelo, 3 clear cut chances ukuthi ngabe ba utilize lama chance lawana babe sikhuluma esinye story. Mina to me I think it's a surprise. Teams will to really look into Chiefs singayilokhuza singayideleli. Then on the side of i-Islanders, if i-team lana bengahlala isikhathi ijele like Machisa said, it's a new team guys. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi Masuthu i-patience alila. Lo coach substitution okhuluma ngakho and abantu bakhale ngakho kakhulu. Even lami ngikhalile ukuthi we've got players like Momahachi, they've been there, they've been around. Why wait 80 minutes? ukufaka iplayer enjalo and nxa isukume etshaye umaphu khangela ukuthi i-crowd iyenzani why umuntu onjalo lingamfaki even 50 minutes avusi because they are already 1-0 down guys.
Manje vele iyalendazi kuyo kunzima because this week ya ku Dynamos. Dynamos kangathi ivuke emaqandeni.
So
Dynamos yenze intanto nje bengayi expect.
escort
Yeah, iDynamo siwinile izolo sibile asiyali. But asingaze sithi ivukile emaqandeni.
Maybe since sibewele 2 games maybe sebesensi experience yalani yokuluza babona ukuthi balekhanga.
Uyabona thina next week silanda iDynamos anjalo. Ukuwina kwayo iDynamos njoba uAsha Debala lapha ukuthi bathe hayi some other parts akulamanzi maybe lapha ehlohle khona ade kulamanzi ukhiphi yathi yabamba kupha ukuthi amanzi atshekisa ibhora so azange sibone yiko phela ade kulamanzi so
thelwa inkathi ukulida 2 minutes into the game
Yeah.
then
yakuthi uright usavereza like ungacompare ama squads but sometimes ungacompare ama squads eTel1 it's better than iDynamos in terms of mali lani uba lokhu zinini le exactly uyabona then iDynamos wonke umuntu vele ruled ukuthi iDynamos yafika idliwa coming back to 5 ngale uyabona so yafika ya surprise abantu yawina 2-1 uyabona so which means labo even though sithi bayadlalela emanzini but ani libhora wonke umuntu bedlala emanzini asikuthi omunye bedlala kome khona omunye edlala wonke umuntu bedlala emanzini
so run through ama results Cape United 2 Agama 1 Manica 0 Simba Bora 1 Hard Rock 0 Scotland 0 Islanders 1 Bulawayo Chiefs 1 Tel1 1 Dynamos 2 then on Saturday Rentals 1 Chicken Inn 1 Ngezi Platinum Stars 2 FC Platinum 1 Triangle 0 ZPC Kariba 1 then on Friday over the game ever season opener which was pitting Imozi the trying the team abenja the Hunters that draw was 0-0. So let's look at the upcoming fixtures, gents, before see VAR. This weekend, I think we've got lovely fixtures. As Masud already alluded to, Islanders is traveling to Dynamos. We've got Agama playing Bulawayo Chiefs. Agama is at home. Then we've got Dynamos versus Islanders, Moors versus Tel1, Simba Bora versus Hunters, FC Platinum taking on Manica Diamonds, Scotland versus Ngezi Platinum, ZPC Kariba versus Hard Rock, Chicken Inn versus Triangle, Cape United versus Rentals. From the fixtures, your Pama game is because already there is a big one Islanders take on Dynamos. I think that's the game of the week. From ama fixtures and go to which games or kumbe siwakhangele nje sinika ama predictions sikhayela ama
Mbondi ngaphuma ngale ZPC.
Let's start with Agama Bulawayo Chiefs.
3 points is it. 3 points straight.
Agama is at home.
Ukuthi izolo ukuthi ngeke ngaxoxa la ngeAgama wathi the fact ukuthi ihlohlile against iCapes ukuthi abalanda ngizodlala but Agama indlela kade bethule ngayo ku pre-season and in terms of ukuzama uku-assembly squad sabo lanani angila themba kakhulu ukuthi benga upset ama teams amaningi so alale ngayinika iBulawayo Chiefs la
Kukhwela yayidliwa 5-1 4-1 3-1
Iyagama ayisikuthi bithule ibingakhulumi kuphela ukuthi ithengile but ithengile ama players amaningi.
It's not a bad side.
It's not a bad side. And I'm going to give Iyagama a win because ama teams eZimbabwe very most of the times the team ekuhome le advantage. 1-0 Iyagama.
When you take Bulawayo Chiefs guy.
Bulawayo Chiefs straight win 3 points.
Agama ivela la ukuthi iwanda ngane ithengile mina lami ngihamba lobutho iBulawayo Chiefs ngiyayithanda but this time isingadliwa 2-0 or 1-0 2-0 or 1-0 iBulawayo Chiefs ngivona isingadliwa
Toby onuthini ngale
mina le I think I want itrickinga uMartin uzi ama-players angapha unozi been there egemini and iyagama for a long time yabona and iyagama layo mina ngokuyibona kwami izulu like uyabusizwa lawa amalokhu uzenini and it's not a bad side so I think nxa kuthiwa ama-team ongadlala I think it will be a lovely draw.
Then we have Moz taking on Tel One.
Ngoni.
I'm giving it to Moz. I think Tel One continue a losing streak. Ngingazi. But I'm giving it to Moz.
Makaza chinchile this season.
I'm gonna give it to Imo's lad.
1-1.
Draw.
2-1. 2-1 Moses going to win.
Draw.
Simba Hunters.
Yeah.
Simbi yakubulala.
I think it's a draw him.
Simbi yakubulala.
Hunters le into ngayibona iyenza that day lokuze nini. Isimba ewini idlala emanzini iyawuxhwabathisa lokho. Iyawuchobotisa.
Simba Hunters.
Win Simba.
Yeah, let me see Bakurani.
Platinum Manika.
Finish.
Platinum
Le revenge engenzi manje platinum lapha ifuzi yenza. Idliwe phela izolo. Yabisiyavubhodlela khona phana.
Then Scotland ngezi. Because the platinum is ngani umuntu platinum. Scotland lengezi.
Le image zadanisa abantu manje is a draw match.
Yeah.
Scotland iyanika.
Mina is a draw match.
Scotland.
First you lose Scotland.
Mina is a draw match.
Ngeze win 2-0.
Mina is a draw.
Yakazi ukuthi why ngingasoze ngimpikise but also ngiyavumelana la. Ingezi anti kathesi sikhuluma sikhangela ukuthi ayisayinanga ama players and stuff but I think ingezi their biggest signing of off season uCliff Tswairo assistant coach lwana. I think nje ulethe enye mentality laphana ukuthi vina abafana la sibathi bancane because most of ama players amanye vele ku youth engezi and then yabonga return just a few ade khona la season. Mind you kulama ama players ayesebenchini la season enxela vele waphonga ubavusela kwabathi yasidlaleni but sesikhayela i-team edlala la futhi Scotland I Scotland
ZPC Kariba is hosting your draw. Kariba wona.
Ayanyamunga kuyafiwa ZPC. ZPC.
ZPC to win.
Drop to win.
Let me tell draw 1 not.
Them believe Paston.
Uyabuya la.
Toby.
I draw la.
Draw match.
I draw.
Chicken in is taking on triangle Eluvev. I know APF sorry. Sabe se PF bujala.
0 in favor of chicken.
Alapha ngajeli kubamba
chicken in win but nothing ama difference onke la.
hayi verse 1-0
3-0.
Caps United is taking on rentals.
Draw.
Caps.
hayi Caps yakubulala.
Yabona irenters ungakela ukuthi first half fund.
Irentals yayazi madoda.
Caps yakubulala Caps pa.
Yithimbe lehlala ispring ama surprise. Buza nango eceleni kwakho la.
3 seasons irentals i-team ehlala phezulu lama team onke eHarare.
Ireason ngikutshelile.
Wena uthini?
Caps to win.
I think so
That
too.
means Caps to win.
Then lastly, Putas. Island are taking on Dynamos Rufaro on Sunday.
Shiriko.
Akula El Shiriko. Dynamos is on top of the log. 3 points. Ibambene same like Caps United.
Siyabuya siphethe ama points mdala lo into azwa.
What?
Thina.
Amagai.
Ayidamo singasiyacha 2 note kuphela. Siyabuya siphethe ama points.
Ubona njani Topi le?
hayi tricky le.
Ngokubona izolo uthi Island yawinita ku Dynamos.
Yeah, upiki abengekho mdala.
Awumazi uBenji.
Ubona njani
It's a
Mutho?
0-0 draw.
I don't 0-0.
I'm telling you because akulo yahluhla kwele ndaza lo muntu yahluhla kudala.
Hayi ngongole
hayi
yahle.
ngongongole
Ingawusaba le penalty phela.
hayi ngongongole sele ngahlohla lapha nasongaba yi-1-1.
Ubona njani le Saverizela?
I draw.
Uthini check?
Yeah, lami nje idraw lama goals.
hayi 1.
When I see Dynamos taking this one, I'm putting my head on the block. I see Dynamos taking this one 1-0. Clean 1-0 Rufaro. Island amboni iphenduka lama
Senze
points.
revenge Jairus Chen.
Amboni iphenduka. But before we close guys, kule issue yesingayibambanga. Just a bit issue yabo referee. ubutho mzekhala ngabo oref laba begqoke black and white oref bazithengela ama-kit wayibona njani oref labana babezithengela ama-kit nge-Friday berefuli imozi le Hunters
in a proper league mdala in a proper setup very izifa kumele ibe le sponsor sabo ref singakhala anyways vele singatshoni sihamba kumbe Europe eSouth Africa oref bagqokiswa vale sponsor so akumela kuyasiphambanisela istandard because nxa singathi kade sibezenzele bona ref lo munye uzayenza akukwanisa ukuhambela lesikhwama sakhe
ungasabali khonoko the moment umuntu sithezenzele ngaswela imali yokuzenzela uzathengisa ama game esenzela ukuthi ethatha imali ethenga ikit
I agree with what they're saying. Ngoba urefu uhola on a match day enga officiate. So ngasa officiate anga usela holo. So ukuze uthola imali ukuthenga ikit leyana irefu kit yabo refu yadura. Ishort lona liwana kwathi uthenga nge$40-50 ishort. Yalabo ref t-shirt maybe it's the same which is $100.
Sizabuza sponsor lapha bana kit yabo ref
They're very expensive into the ref. So
but sports on I think it cheap
get cheap but expensive. Get cheap but kudura.
Sports on sports on kule quality
quality.
I'm talking about quality, I'm not talking about interesting. So
sports
so what I'm saying and angiyali ukuthi they can lapha bathola khona of course use sports zone kuyabe kumdulela umuntu ukuthi ekwanisa ukuthenga konke so nxa sokumdulele bese kubuya i-team kaloku ze igame uma suthi sesithi khona uchayela ngapha nansi 50 phezulu ekhaya uthi ngale phezulu kwakhona siphiwe directive ukuthenga ama info manje ungayekela yini imali because into yonke eyenza umuntu wane compromise ama standards is i-pressure abelayo yena personal so if orefu ngathiwa khona bayakwanisa ukuthi ngenzelele imali zabo abazitholayo beziholela futhi bengaholiswa yilokhu zenini ama teams kungasinceda ukuthi orefu la bethole le standard sesibalekele ku-uniform ekhulumayo orefu abafuzanga
right
mina ngifuna ukubamba khonapho ukuthi orefu uthi behole like ukuthi ngawungela game uhole most of orefu vele basebenza and bonke ngama-government workers abaningi bankhona amanye ngo-teacher amanye ngabo lokhu zenini
kwamanye amazwe bakholiswa
kwamanye amazwe nasikhuluma la eZimbabwe currently ukuthi even ikit is not supposed to be an issue vele kubo ref because imali yangikhona vele yabinjani iyabikhona mntana so because that's why ubona bese training bese beaffiliate
umuntu kangathathi i-personal money yakhe
yikho ngikuthi
uthenga into referee is like saving the nation yabo fana lokuthi khayisi kuthiwe umpolice asezithengela uniform kuyavuma yini
nje ama-shooters ama-players liyazithengela most of the times but ezweni uyabe usuzithengela wena olufunayo lihambela lakho but abe khona for the team
ngoba kule sponsors apha esokuthi nge-Nike kuningi uyabonke bana ama-sponsors abaningi vele because
izayitime ikhangela indaba le yelokhuzenini yabo ref i-prioritize even sona esi sponsor ithiwa yini kit sponsor nale sponsor even ama-Warriors kube yiyo vini ebadesignelayo izifa sibhadala izifa sibhadala
because singathi zifa yonke into uref bale association yabo
yibo
kumele
banda zifa
but association yebo eyenzayo abasukume bona bezenzeli because ungameleli izifa mdala nale association yenu akuncedi because inelichayayo ke yabo because yakwathi thina
uyakwazi nabembalekela nje point empinga zaveleza orifle bana bebechaye black and white yabo ukuthi abazithengele be smart and then eBF sibona orefu bechaye engani green engani so ngani amakhithi urefu ikhithi yabo refu sokuba mix masala kusa
I think kuna phana kwenziwa ukuthi i-team colors ukuthi ayilenda ndigqoka black so la begqoke black
no ngizama ukuthi
topi second one
ngithezama ukuthi alo refu bahamba
alternative
even though abe maningi sikhamba sinje so thina sakwazi ukuthenga yethu esiyithandayo labana bethenge yabo abayithandayo labana ugcina ungazisela
kwenze njalo because ibathenga ka1
bonke
njengokuthi athi thina
bazithengela nje but i-association yathi khona kunamakhithi ayiyelo lawa thengani lawo bezithengela
because bese mfuku usola kakhulu ukuthi hayi labo bathenga yabo
yiko kade sikhuluma ngakho ukuthi kule pre-match lokuze nini oref yibo bayenzela khona ukuthi mabe ngathi amakhala zaklasha bechaye yabo bona yabo
ingadlala lapha uref bangena uma-dressing room besiya kuma-dressing rooms before be-check ukuthi laba gqokani then sebesiyagqoka bona
ama-license and stuff hayi lokhu anayiget mhlawumbe ku-issue yabo ref ukuthi ngaba bazithengela amakhithi bonke
sebeyikhethela iquality oyifunayo
oh
but i-outcry yangikhona ngabaphandle maybe la sesingabona mbe sebeyisponsorile maybe nje abokhwekho balabo khwekho anti abondani bakhala ukuthi ikhwekho ithwele nzima njani siziyathola la khaya sama-sponsors
siyabonga for ikampani kaScott for that
but guys i-Better Brands is now yagcina isponsor yonke into phela
akulandaba akulanda if like Emirates sponsor yonke into wani
ngoba Scotland
i-Better Brands ayi-own team
yomuntu ukuthi kunjani mdala umnikazi weScotland and i-director i-majority futhi director e-Better Brands uyabona so vele ke sokuyi-conflict of interest
emathimini
ukuthi wena uona ikampani uyi-major director yecampany esponsor i-team yakho lamanye ama-team kuligi laphana uzohamba uzengena la ku-division 1 yabona
but I don't see a problem by sponsoring a team even if
social
because lana laphana uyenza no isikayenza social uyenza business is in business is a businessman i-brand yakhe you need to advertise i-brand yakhe as long as yena you stay professional ebalekile ukuze into zemaskandal yasekusisi uphela
like maybe let's say ku South Africa so like wabona like maybe team e1 isponsor the whole okuzenini ama teams ayo league because bakhona abantu yabona like mase maybe Motsepe sithi Motsepe se sponsor Chiefs Motsepe Downs
sponsor D1 yonke
yena ku D1 lapha uMotsepe waba yi-umbrella elokuzeni
i-Adidas yenza njani i-Adidas yenza njani kuma kids
Adidas ayila team
still but kenza njani ku sponsorship
lapha kule esingayiclarify
i-sponsorship ukusponsor loba le team that two different things
so two different things because look at it in this way i-Adidas it's a brand and i-brand lana I own a team i-brand yabafuna uyihambise abantu
i-Better Brands like I own a team it's a company
i-company kabani
uScott your own team those are two different entities even if you go to
nxa bebhala bona
lapha
lapha
two different entities uScott sakwanya le-Better Brands
but nxa bebhala lapha ukuthi ofaka imali ngale bathini
i-Better Brands so usithi khona uScott right uScott engatshontsha ubotsha i-Better Brands uScott engayatshontsha kubotsha i-Better Brands
ungabona ubotha uScott ungabotha uScott which means Better Brands ayisahambi because sebese yivala
ayivalo
ayikampani yakhe
ikampani
ikuthiwa iyafrizwa
hayi ayisini like that
you should just hope ukuthi into yangikhona ayisoze icreate ilokuze yini conflict of interest as time goes on but for ama sponsorship deals wonke ayenza uScott and siyambonga la siyambongela ukuthi because it helps ukuthi ku develop ibora in all lokuze nini akungaphelele ekhwekhwe akungaphelele swingo kuhambe la kuma yama regions wonke especially i-Islanders already sile benefit shop ubona nje ibona yibo abasazenzela okwekhanda labo asazi ukuthi maybe imali yangikhona kumbe maybe lemkhuba or something ngoba sikayiboni sibility sebenzani kahle but ikithi siyibonile ibhasi sayibona lama fortune sayabona azisuma sudu
yabukhalela
ayimota sizibonile
so I think on that note
mele benu masuti yakhe imota
thina le moto sazithengeleza
I think on that note
uma so maybe ngoba kala sikhundla ingabona sele sikhundla la uzaze sithi sefuna
I think on that note sesagayela ivikela nje la mbona sesishap alika but likhale kakhulu ngama draw phela wona umuntu owinile la
ama-guest charges cela beyehlisa
angithi ngama draw akula umuntu owinile let's hope ivikile ezayo teams I hope teams will win abantu ngemande studio kuyabe kumnandi. I think on that note we were safely closed. Please remember to like, subscribe, share also, and let's engage in the comment section. Last words, Jensi Gaga.
Let's continue coming in numbers emagemini zethu siwasupporte ibhora lethu
kunjalo.
regardless kuyidura kunjalo sisupporte nama-team ethu singayenzi lokhana ugcine sesikubona izolo ngesikhathi kusiba yikhona i-Chiefs yokuqasa ukujika ama-missiles sakhuluma sathi khona wena ufuzanga ungene eground phakathi lapha yabo suvele wangena kudala eground so asiyekele isikuvala khona asiyekelelini ukungena eground. Tara, see you next week.
Let's do it.
I think singakhala sithi ibhora liyadura but asameni ukuthi umuntu ebeke idola ngelanga uza kubona kungaba lula. Let's try to support ama teams ethu bana.
Yeah, lami mina vele ngizapho ngokuthi asambeni ebhoreni wafethu asambeni.
Welcome back Mkhaya.
Sizame. Nothi Mkhaya, ani ngithethe kuseplazini ngiyifama.
Wasithi asiva.
Lami ngithi asambe nebhoreni ngoba sihamba ngenhliziyo ezibuhlungu ngama$5.
Azumuntu avele iqalise ngothi sivale ngekazo ukuthi asamele okumuntu sethi asambele ebhoreni. Topi.
Mina funa ukuthi abantu ababe le patience ngama-first games bengabi lalokho ama-hopes amaningi abantu ababe le patience ama-team asabhidla abantu basahlanga
belibuza belidinga baphela ukuthi nxa ungekho singabe lokho esilikhulumeni ngoba yena ethanda ukuhamba
abantu asikhona bengasabi abantu
Sayihlanganiswa kuzayenza ukuthi sibe khona intambo.
I think on that note we can safely say, guys, remember ngokukhulumile, like, subscribe, share, let's engage in the comment section. Ama-gents ayinachi nxa ikhona silawo machisa kanye uwathi uzabuyela but uyabe khona siyabonga ukuthi libuyile namhla besisonke full house. Guys, until we see each other again next week. Ciao.
Bye bye.